Until now, inspection meant limits. Now, you see everything. Introducing OMNI Vantage by ASH. A 4K digital microscope system designed for regulated environments where speed, traceability, and accuracy are non-negotiable. OMNI Vantage enhances defect detection in medical devices, electronics, and more, addressing common challenges such as manual delays, recalibration, and compliance risks. With true 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, it reveals micro defects in real time. Factory-calibrated optics ensure consistent, accurate measurement at any zoom level, with no need for recalibration. Snap-to-edge tools, DXF file overlays, go, no-go checks you can trust. Capture and export traceable reports in seconds, no PC required. OMNI Vantage is built for daily inspection, ergonomic, intuitive, and ready to use straight out of the box. Trusted by manufacturers in medical, electronics, aerospace, and precision engineering, OMNI Vantage by ASH reduces escapes, improves first-pass yield, and delivers confidence across every inspection line. See more, discover faster, inspect smarter. Book your personalized demo today. Contact sales@ashvision.com or access ashvision.com.